Racing United could become the fifth team to secure a playoff spot in the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League should they beat Moulins United in round 36 on Wednesday at Ferdinand Park. Racing are currently on 56 points, and a win would see them joining Montego Bay United, Mount Pleasant FA, Portmore United and Waterhouse as teams to have already booked their places in the top six. Moulins United, on the other hand, are one of four teams in relegation danger as they are only 2 points from the drop zone. They got a boost on Sunday with a surprising 3-0 win over Arnett Gardens.
It's always work, and you want to celebrate victories like these, but it is important not to get carried away. The turnaround time is really, really short. We play again Wednesday, so it's all about recovery, it's all about rehydrating and going again.
Leaders Montego Bay United will take on Tivoli Gardens at Jarrett Park with one aim in mind, pushing for an automatic semi-final spot. They are on 7 points, or they are 7 points ahead of third-placed Portmore United and need another 4 points to reach the top four. Based on previous results against Tivoli Gardens, MBU hold the advantage after recording 2 wins from as many meetings this season.
It is our second to last game at home for the season, so we want to close out on a high, and that's our objective. Again, we want to solidify ourselves in the top two, and hopefully we can do that in short order. If results go somewhere and we continue, and if we win in midweek, then that should put us in good stead.
Defeat for Tivoli Gardens could leave them in danger of missing out on a spot in the playoffs.